So this is dump. This is the road coming from Christiana. This is the road going to Line of Parish. This is the road going to Line of Parish. So if you are going to Albertown, if you should be going to Albertown or anywhere on the South Trelawny side, you can't drive there. No, yo, where I go? Low River. Me say road broke off around before you reach up Glastonbury there, so. So you can't pass this. Alright. So you have to go. If you have to go try. You know try? Oh. Okay. Try for a good drive, man, about half hour from there. Road lock off. So guys, if you are coming from Christiana going to Trelawny, this is where you would have to drive. So when you come, this is a bakery, Colleyville Bakery. This is Colleyville Bakery. So when you come to Colleyville Bakery, you make the left and go up the hill. Make the left and go up the hill. Yeah. So that is where you would go. If you are going anywhere into Trelawny, Warsop, Albertown, Larimer's, Wait a Bit, all of those places, you would have to go to Troy, and from Troy you go to Warsop, and from Warsop you would have to, I guess, I'm not sure about to all sides. So I have to get that information. They are turned back. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, so that road block off. I guess I should put a sign here. But you have persons probably going to where the road is not blocked off. So this is the situation right now. Alright, so you make the left at the bakery.